If you're 30 years old with $10,000 to invest, you are ahead of 80% of people your age. But here's the thing. What you do with that money right now will determine whether you retire a millionaire or not. And most people get it completely wrong. If I could go back to 30 with what I know now, here's exactly what I'd do. And it's not what the gurus tell you. First, let me tell you what most people do. They hear about a hot stock. They chase the hype. They put all their money into something they don't understand. And then they panic when it drops. That's not investing. That's gambling. And the house always wins. So here's my system. Step 1, $2,000 into a high-yield savings account. This is your emergency fund. Not invested. Not at risk. Just safe and accessible. Step 2, $6,000 into a diversified stock portfolio. 60% S&P 500 index fund. 20% international stocks. 20% growth stocks or REITs. This gives you broad exposure. Low fees. Long-term growth. Step 3, $2,000 into yourself. Books. Courses. Skills. The best investment you can make is in your own earning potential. A $2,000 course that helps you increase your income by $10,000 a year is the best return you'll ever get. Now let's do the math. If you invest $6,000 today at 30, add $500 a month. At an average 7% return. By the time you're 60, you'll have over $200,000. And that's just from your first $6,000. If you continue doing this every year, you'll be a millionaire by 60. It's not complicated. It's just consistent. You have $10,000 at 30. You have a choice. You can chase hype and gamble. Or you can build a system. I know which one I'd choose. If this helped you, hit like. Comment below, how old are you and how much are you investing? And subscribe for more practical financial advice.